Have you been trying to access Beamable Airdrop, or you're seeing this very error message which says 403 forbidden? Well, worry no more, because in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this very error message and how to start farming this airdrop again. As you can see right now, I'm on Beamable Airdrop homepage, and I know you're probably wondering, how did you do this? How did you achieve this? What did you do? Well, I'm going to show you that in a moment. So what you're meant to do right now is to go over to Google Play Store. Just open up your Google Play Store app. Now click the search bar right here and search for Urban VPN. Okay, so you're meant to use a VPN, and the VPN you're meant to use is this very VPN right here, which says Urban VPN Proxy Unblocker. Now you're meant to install this right now. Of course, if you're using an Android device, you're going to see this on your Google Play Store. I don't know for Apple device because I'm not an Apple user, but you might want to go check that on Apple Store. Now, once this has installed, you click on Enable, and once you enable, you open this up. Now, this is Open VPN, and we're going to be choosing the free plan, right? So what we're meant to do right now is to click on free, because we want the free plan. And once you click on free right now, you accept the terms and conditions. Then you scroll down and click on agree and continue. Click on enable, and this is going to lead you to your accessibility page. Just scroll down and you see Urban VPN right here. Click on Urban VPN, and once you click on Urban VPN, you can say use Urban VPN for safe browsing. Yes, and you can click on allow right now. Yes, if you don't do this, you won't really be able to access the Beamable Airdrop site, right? So I'm going to head back right now, click back again and click on agree, and I think we are 50% set. Now, what you're meant to do is to click on this very icon right here that says location. Just click on this right now, and the moment you do, just go ahead and click on search at the top right hand corner of your screen, and you're meant to search for Nicaragua. Okay, this is the country you're meant to search for, Nicaragua right here. And you can see this is for the premium, which is locked, and this very one right here is the free version which you're meant to select. So I'm just going to select this right now, which is the free version, and click on OK. And I'm going to allow Urban VPN to send me notification. You can disable that. Now you can see we are connected to the Urban VPN page. So we're going to head back to Chrome browser right now, and we're just going to refresh this. Let's see how this goes. Okay. And you can see this page is about to load up right now. Now it says, let's confirm you're human. Now this might pop up sometime. It might not happen always, but if it does, do not panic. Just go ahead and click on begin. This is nothing but a recaptcha just to confirm you are a human. So it says choose the buckets here. So we are meant to choose the one that has the bucket picture, and we go ahead and click on confirm. Now it says success, and we're going to be redirected to the Beamable Airdrop site right away. So this is it right here. Really simple, really easy. You don't need to worry about anything. If you've not been farming this airdrop for quite a long time now, this is your opportunity to get back and catch up. So what you're meant to do right now is to come over to the this section right here. I've created a video on how to farm this very airdrop. If you need that very video, I'll leave the link in the description of this very video. I've created 2 videos about this, and you'll be able to see that on the screen right now. Now, once you are in this very page, the most important thing you have to do is to always come to the start section, because this is where you connect your Twitter accounts. Once you connect your Twitter account, you collect your badge. Okay, the first badge. Now, these are 2 tags I haven't done here. Make sure you do them. Follow John Randolph on Twitter and join the Beamable Network Discord group, and you're going to be able to finish the remaining tags. So you can see I've claimed this very badge right here. If you do that, you'd also be able to claim your own badge. Now, if I click on the menu section again, on that place you can also endpoints is by coming to the endpoints section right here. Just click on endpoints, and we have the dailies. If you click on dailies right now, it's going to lead you to this very page of I've missed a lot of these, but no problem. Whenever you come back, you can always claim for the day you haven't missed. So this is it right here. I'm just going to click on this claim button, and I've claimed my bonus for today, which is my BNB box, and I'm just going to go back right now, right, and click on the quest board. Now the quest board is where you complete quests to earn Beamable Airdrop, the XP and the BNB cred. Okay, so this is it right here. The XP and the BNB cred is same thing. Okay, you earn same thing for the SP and the points, right? So this is basically how this works. If I head back right now, you can see right here the past partnership is right here was the POG Launchpad, Solana Gaming, and and the recent is Sunspare Games. Okay, if I click on Solana Gaming right now, you can do this, right? I haven't done this, but you can do this. This is no longer available. This has ended, but you can still go ahead and join their Discord and retweet the post on the Twitter handle to claim your BNB cred. You can also do the spare games, okay, the super spare games, and collect your points. Okay, all this really matters. This is what they want you to do. Okay, they want you to participate in these. Make sure you engage with this very airdrop very well. This is what will count. This is what would determine whether or not you receive this very airdrop, right? Once you have earned some amount of points, you can always come to the store and purchase the BNB box right here. Okay, so you can purchase any amount of BNB box you want. I have 21,000 points right there. I'm just going to go ahead and click on one BNB box, and to purchase one BNB box you have to purchase that with 1,000 of your points right here. Okay, the total cost is 1,000 of your BNB cred points. Okay, so I'm just going to click on purchase right now, and it says congratulations, there is no limit to what you can actually purchase right here, and these two are actually free, so you might want to come claim them right now. This is free and this is also free, so this is what you need to know to be able to benefit from this very airdrop. One thing is that you can come to the invite section right now and grab your invite link, right? This is your invite link. You can see I have only been able to invite 29 people so far. Now, I'm not asking that you join this. You can join from wherever you wish to, but if you want to compensate me for creating this video for you, you can actually use my link, and I'll really appreciate you for that. Also, I'll be able to put you through when you have or run into any issue in the future. I have a WhatsApp group, which you can find the link in the description, right? Once you join the WhatsApp group, you have any question at all, just leave your question there and I'll respond to you during my leisure time, right? So once you do this, you begin to rank up, right? You begin to rank up. Now for the rank up, this has ended. You've claimed all of these. More bucks will be coming, and when they do, make sure you come over here and claim them. It is that simple, right? If you need updates, you come over to the update section. So the goal of this video is to make sure that you're able to access the Beamable Cred site again, because a lot of us has abandoned this very airdrop, and I want you to go back right now. I myself have abandoned it. I know of this for a long time right now, but I've just been too busy that I haven't paid much attention to it. But I want you guys to come back. I want you guys to start farming this very airdrop over again, because this is a solid project which I don't really want you to miss. This is a project building a gaming ecosystem, right? One that has never been seen before. So make sure you don't miss this, because this could be a major turnaround in the gaming ecosystem. This is something you are sure that you're going to get something from if you actually take it really serious, right? So this is basically the information I want to pass to you guys today. If you enjoyed the video, I want you to leave a like and share to create more awareness. If you're watching my video for the first time, subscribe and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss out on new updates I'll be dropping on the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe.